अब आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं इस्लामाबाद, जहाँ पर वफाकी वजीर तवानाई दस्तगीर इस वक्त न्यूज कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं.
From the onlookers, we expect that this process of filtering the criminals from the onlookers or those who were trying to witness or record the event will be swiftly made and they will be let go.
And then the other question is, it's been almost 2 weeks since all of this happened, and what we're seeing on Pakistani TV is constant pro-military messaging. Any press briefing that government ministers have done has addressed what happened at military installations, and we've seen the same happen in the National Assembly. It seems as if the establishment and the government have really been shaken to the core by what they saw in those 2-3 days, and it seems as if there is this concern that the respect that existed for the military may not exist anymore, and the narrative must be changed as much and as quickly as possible. Why are we seeing such an onslaught of pro-military messaging?
The simple answer to the question is that not too long ago, this government, again at that time Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif led the government, and the military fought a very wide-scale counter-insurgency in Pakistan between 2014 and 2016. And yes, we are shaken because this kind of attack that we witnessed on May 9th and 10th, I said so earlier, only occurred when the terrorists were attacking Pakistan. Terrorists attacked schools. Terrorists attacked general headquarters, as was done on May 9th. Terrorists attacked different military installations, Air Force installations, like was done on May 9th in Miawali, the MM Alam base. So the nation of Pakistan is still reeling from that very serious terrorist onslaught that killed tens of thousands of Pakistanis, kills tens of thousands of military personnel and officers. And to see this same kind of breadth and strategic targeting happen within 2 days by a political party, yes, I think we have every reason to be shocked by it, and I think the world should be shocked by it also. That it's not a coincidence that the same party that attacked Pakistan television in 2014 then attacks Radio Pakistan Peshawar in 2023. So there is a clear lineage here, and as I said, we perhaps could be accused of appeasement of Mr. Khan and his party back in 2014, which has led us to this eruption of fascist violence 2 weeks ago. We're done. Thank you.
वफाकी वजीर तवानाई
इस्लामाबाद में वफाकी वजीर दस्तगीर मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे. उनका कहना था कि मुल्क में आम इंतखाबात मुकर्ररा वक्त पर होंगे. पुरअमन एहतजाज सबका बुनियादी हक है. उन्होंने मजीद कहा कि 9 मई के हमरा आवरों के खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. अवाम के जान और माल का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ यकीनी बनाया जाए.